Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you here a wonderful 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, fixer upper home with tons of potential. This tri-story house spanning approximately 3,000 square feet sits on approximately 0.24 acres of lush, well-fruited land in the sought after Kingston 9 community of Stony Hill. The main floor features large living room, expansive kitchen and dining, family room, a bedroom and bathroom. The top floor houses a second bedroom with ensuite bathroom, office, and the master bedroom with ensuite bathroom with balcony. There is also a basement with a bedroom and bathroom that can be used as helpers' quarters or a fourth bedroom. There is also a self-contained studio apartment at the basement level. The property is well situated with magnificent views of Kingston City to the rear and lush green mountains. Other features of this house includes wood, marble, and travertine flooring, garden area, water tank, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, easy access, family oriented, golf course nearby, private setting, view of the ocean, view of the city, recreation nearby, quiet area, and road paved. The current price of this house is Jamaican $65 million or US $414,594. Now, let's take a look at this fixer upper and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.